How was law enforced in ancient Rome? Have you ever wondered how law enforcement worked in ancient Rome? It was a fascinating system that blended military organization with civilian oversight. Let's break it down. The Vigiles were one of the first organized forces in Rome. Established by Emperor Augustus, they were like a mix of police and firefighters. This group had 7 cohorts, each with about 500 men. They were assigned to specific districts of the city, especially at night. Originally, their main job was to combat fires, but over time, they took on more responsibilities. They could arrest people involved in illegal activities and return runaway slaves to their owners. The Vigiles were led by a prefect, an equestrian appointed by the emperor, who also acted as a judge for minor crimes. During the daytime, the urban cohorts took charge. This was a paramilitary police force responsible for maintaining public order. They handled riots and other significant disturbances in the city. The urban cohorts operated under the authority of the Praefectus Urbi, the city prefect. This official had jurisdiction over serious crimes and public safety matters. The Praetorian Guard also played a role in law enforcement. While their primary duty was to protect the emperor, they could get involved in law enforcement, especially in politically sensitive situations or major threats to the state. Law enforcement in ancient Rome was closely linked to the administrative and judicial systems. Civilian magistrates directed the police forces. Legal proceedings often involved officials like the prefect of the Vigiles for minor crimes or the Praefectus Urbi for more serious offenses. This connection ensured that law enforcement was about maintaining order and upholding legal standards. In summary, law enforcement in ancient Rome was a combination of military-style patrols and civilian judicial oversight. The Vigiles acted as night watchmen and fire brigades with policing powers. The urban cohorts managed public order during the day, while the Praetorian Guard handled elite security and serious threats. This organized system allowed Rome to maintain control over its vast urban population through structured patrols, arrests, and legal adjudication.